You probably know the best place in your house to make a call on your smartphone. It's usually by going to a window or stepping outside. But what about when you just can't get a good signal or you're away from home? It is super frustrating. But there are a few tricks of the trade that can help. In this Komando DIY, 3 simple ways to get better cell service. Turning on and off your phone takes time. You can get the same connection results by toggling airplane mode on or off. Turning airplane mode on and off forces your phone to re-establish its connection to the network. Navigate to the control center by swiping up or down on your phone screen, depending on which iPhone you have, and tap the airplane mode button. Wait at least 5 seconds and tap the airplane mode button a second time to turn off the feature. That could give you the signal boost you need. You could also try Wi-Fi calling. If you have poor cell service but a strong Wi-Fi connection, this is a great option. To do this, open Settings, scroll down and tap Phone, and then Wi-Fi Calling. Toggle the button next to Wi-Fi Calling on this iPhone to turn it on. Then you're all set. Also, keeping your operating system up to date is always a good idea. Not only do updates come with security patches for known flaws, but many times they also include tools that help your device run more smoothly. If you're running an old version of iOS, it could be causing connection issues. To update your iOS, open Settings, tap General, select Software Update, and if an update is available, select Download and Install. It might take a few minutes, but you should have a better connection once the update is installed. For more Apple tips and tricks, as well as answers to all your tech questions, head to komando.com.